Judge, one of the tickets is for no insurance. I've confirmed that he does have insurance on the car. I've seen the insurance certificate, so I can make that representation, but there's two other ones that I don't know. And these tickets are from 2022.
Oh.
I would hope that it would just get dismissed, but that's up to the city attorney, I guess.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding while Zoom is in session. There will be no driving, no hair wraps of any kind except for religious purposes, no hoodies, no speaking over the judge when the judge is speaking. Please mute your phones. Court is in session.
All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. And I'm going to do the best I can to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to start. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Robert Earl O'Gwen IV. Case number SP 172-70681. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Quinn.
Yeah, do that because the battery did. And
All right, you're talking too much.
Robert O'Quinn.
All right. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Warrant, counselor.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. O'Gwen, speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gwynn an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I have the ticket here. It doesn't give you any notes on what the allegations suggest that Mr. O'Gwen did. So put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gwynn. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
All right. This is the City of Detroit. Let's pass that matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Jericho Joseph O'Gwen. Case number SP 172-70671. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. O'Quinn. Mr. O'Quinn, please state your name for the record.
My name is Jericho O'Quinn.
And for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There is, again, no suggestion on this ticket to what the allegations suggest that Mr. O'Gwen did. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. O'Gwen, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right? Join the room, please.
Yes, financial advisory rights too.
We only have 2 attorneys.
Just call on Mr. Mayor. I can help you. Are you scheduled for court today? Okay, you are scheduled. Okay, so. What's your name? You said 22nd. August. Yeah.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert O'Gwen. Mr. Robert O'Gwen, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Okay, I need a good phone number from you, Mr. O'Gwen.
313-452-1122.
I'm gonna set it for a pretrial date on the 5th of September, 2025. That date is just set really to make sure that you got that appointed a counsel there. When you, if you need you to answer the calls you don't recognize, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the September the 5th date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right.
There's nothing further. Be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Appreciate it.
This is the city of Detroit versus Gray. SP 1627939. Appearance in the record, please.
Tolbert S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Kiana Graves.
Yeah, I'm sorry. All right, today's date and time set for a bring on the bench warrant, Counselor.
I've yet to identify it on the docket, Your Honor.
It's on the
There it is.
8:30.
Yes, arraignment on the bench warrant, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. She's got 3 other civil infractions that went along with this case that are in default. I don't know what the city wants, what more the city wants to do. Get an updated offer from Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
It's past the matter.
Those matters in default, Your Honor, are they?
There's equipment violations. It was last year, it's a brake light equipment violation of 2 matters in default, and then she owes an old blocking traffic too, so.
So it's equipment violation and
And the brake light.
brake light. Okay, thank you.
It's past the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jericho O'Gwen. Mr. O'Gwen, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Your Honor, I placed it in the chat.
All right, Mr. O'Gwen, I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, by the next court date, which is gonna be September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30, then we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay. Are you talking to me or my brother? Both of us.
No, both of you have the same thing, but yeah, both same dates and everything, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Be safe out there.
All right. Thank you.
Is that Anthony Gamage?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Purnell
Yeah,
Gamage.
and I'm in front of the Secretary of State.
Hold on now. Hold on, Mr. Grant. Anthony Purnell Gamage, case number SP 174-29851. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gamage, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Gamage.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gamage. Day is date and time set for pretrial. Speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? That's the matter. You know what your client wants to do, Mr. Dupree?
Yes, Judge.
Let's call it City of Detroit versus Jackson Langsdale. Case numbers SP 1730549, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1730600, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, PH 0132 for the defendant, Mr. Langsdale. Your name, please.
Jackson Langsdale.
Good morning to you, sir. They are taking time set for a pre-trial. What's your plan want to do, Mr. Dupree?
Judge, we're just looking for a bench trial date.
Trial date is going to be September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you both. If you have any more, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me, Judge, but I am supposed to be in a jury trial on the 9th in front of Judge Wagner. Is there any chance it could go to the 12th or the 18th, if either of those work for the court?
Ms. Mathis?
Is it trial? Yes, those are open.
Those are open.
Yes.
12 or the 18th, which one do you want?
Well, we do the 12th, Judge. That'll work for me.
September the 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you.
Happy day, everybody.
Have a good one.
Yours.
Hello.
Wow. L. Nixon,
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
good morning to you. What is, give me your full name, please.
Loises Mixon. Loises Junior Mixon.
You might be in the wrong courtroom. Let me look it up. And spell your first name for me, please.
Loyzes.
Let's see.
Courtroom 434. Judge
I don't see anything open for you.
Sean Perkins.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
0530819. Oh no, yeah, that's what it's going on here.
Wait a minute. That's going, wait a minute. Let's see.
It's the case number on the white piece of paper is 197074931.
8:30.
You see him on here?
Is it Gilliam?
No, yes,
No, Loises Gilliam. Are you?
yes, Your Honor. That's what I'm here for. Alias names.
Oh. Okay. All right, sit tight, please. Thank you.
Sorry about that. Okay.
Was the 05 case his as well?
I have.
Yes. Melvin Gilliam. He's got all kind of names out there.
I have three cases.
Wow.
Interesting.
All right, sit tight. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gamage. Can you check his license, please, Mr. Mathis?
do this.
Chair's license, please. Good morning, Ms. Cox.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And we'll show you Officer Evans. And you want to dismiss Giles' tickets. Election. Judge, let's pick it up. Jim, please. Officer Evans, he wants to dismiss Giles for trial.
I know. Giles got a gift today. This is the city of Detroit versus Kathleen Giles, case number SP 1710891, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Giles, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Kathleen Giles.
Case dismissed, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
For no recollection.
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gamage. Mr. Gamage is valid. Case dismissed, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Ms. Cox, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, C-O-X.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Abrilar Lopez Esteban. Case number SP 17096251. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamaron el caso contra el señor Abelardo López Esteban, SP 17096251. Digan los nombres para las escrituras.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez Esteban, please state your name for the record.
Señor López Esteban, prenda su micrófono y diga su nombre para las escrituras. Se presentó la abogada que lo representa, la abogada Harris. Diga su nombre.
Abelardo López Esteban.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Con el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond.
Le vamos a dar una fianza de $0 y vamos a poner una declaración de no culpable bajo su nombre.
Get Mr. Lopez an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lopez, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room and speak with Mr. Harris, please.
Nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado. El juez dijo que le van a decir cuál es la oferta y que si no la quiere aceptar, usted tiene el derecho de pedir un juicio. Acepte la invitación cuando la vea en la pantalla.
Let's go back on, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Graves has shown valid insurance, and I have also observed her car that no longer have tinted windows, and the brake lights are in good working order.
Yeah, but that stuff is super old.
Well, this is a new car. It's a different vehicle.
All right, I'll dismiss. Provided down the documentation. Have a good day, Ms. Graves. Best of luck. But you still owe 210 on an old insurance, on an old blocking traffic you never paid, all right?
Okay, thank you very much.
Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Jose Angel Torres. Case number SP 1220654, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1. Mr. Torres. SP 13277-322. SP 1349098, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1577281, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 989944, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Torres.
You have to unmute yourself now. Mr. Berry, I'm going to enter not guilty on his behalf and give him a $0 bond. He's got some other cases that are probably in another courtroom that we'll treat them all like a one-stop shop. You have the ink pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
A license improper, no insurance misdemeanor, no insurance misdemeanor, drove while license revoked, no insurance misdemeanor, and unregistered untitled.
Just full name, Your Honor.
First, Jose Angel Torres. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cases into the docket. Mr. Torres, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. It's fast enough. Mr. Waski.
Yeah, I've talked to Mr. Lott, and at this point, I think we need to, given the age of this ticket, we need to set it for trial.
City of Detroit versus Larry Anderson Lott Jr. Case number SP 130371123. He's got 2 other tickets that are new. SP 1725392, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Losky, P 31546, on behalf of Mr. Larry Lott, who's present.
Mr. Lott, good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Larry Anderson Lott Jr.
All right, trial date is going to be September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
All right, thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate it.
Mr. Baughman, good morning to you. What's your client's name?
You can leave, Mr. Lott.
I'm here. I see Michael Ojo is here.
Yep.
Terrence Guthridge is here for a trial.
I'm gonna put Guthridge in 6, Ojo in 7. Good morning to both of you.
Thank you again. Good morning to you and your staff.
Thank you. Good morning to you. And anybody else?
Not at this time. I do have there should be a pre-sentence information report for Cortasia Grayson and Douglas Goodman, but I don't see either of those individuals here. I will get them here.
Okay, very good.
Are they on the docket though?
I don't see any. I'm sentencing Goodman and Grayson. Yes.
Okay. So let me call my clients and thank you again and wish you a great morning.
Good, you as well. Thank you. iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Hello, I'm Lisa Gardner.
Lisa Darvin?
Gardner.
Gardner, Lisa Gardner. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Might not have to. It tell you. You get a community service, you might not have to pay nothing.
Señor López Esteban, apague su micrófono.
I muted him.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Esteban. Mr. Lopez Esteban, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor López Esteban, vamos a ponernos otra vez bajo las escrituras. Ahora sí prenda su micrófono. El juez le preguntó a su abogada, la abogada Harris, cómo quieren proceder.
Your Honor, first we would like to inquire as to whether he could participate in the community court program.
Primero que todo, queremos preguntar si él podría participar en el programa de trabajo de servicio a la comunidad.
He can.
Sí, sí puede.
Your Honor, he would enter a plea. The recommendation would be to allowing.
Él se va a va a hacer una declaración al cargo rebajado que le han ofrecido de que falló de permitir a una persona sin licencia manejar.
I do have his phone number, and I did give him the number to the Southwest Community Justice Center.
Yo tengo su número de teléfono y también ya le di el teléfono del el Centro de Servicio a la Comunidad del suroeste de Detroit.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Your Honor, he was muted by the court, so I don't think he can unmute himself. Señor López Esteban, ¿usted quiere aceptar esa oferta?
Sí, de hacer limpiezas de la comunidad.
So yes, to help clean up the community.
Yes. Raise your right hand, please.
Levante la mano derecha, por favor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad y nada más la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que la sentencia máxima para este cargo podría ser hasta $500 de multa y 93 días de cárcel?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de pedir un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
La señora Harris le dijo cuáles eran sus derechos cuando estábamos en el cuarto privado, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Usted entiende esos derechos?
No.
No.
Go back in the breakout room, Ms. Harris.
Tenemos entonces que regresar al cuarto privado para que la abogada se los explique.
Gracias.
Thank you.
You have to rejoin the room. I'm gonna switch them to make sure.
Lo van a mandar al cuarto privado número 3.
We got it. Who's in the lockup? Who's in the lockup? Gentleman in the lockup, what's your name, sir?
Seth Latham.
Say that again.
Seth Latham.
Seth Latham, okay. Okay. Matter is set for trial. We'll give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 AM to 9:30 to show. Doctor doesn't show, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, we'll get you an offer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Anthony the second, good morning to you. What is your full name, please? Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Anthony Arthur Green Jr.
Arthur Green Jr., good morning to you.
What? You got in the breakout room now. You got to get that with you.
All right, you gotta join that breakout room.
Yes, sir.
Not you, not you.
Your Honor, this is Officer Raynal. I was letting you know I checked in, but I'm in the building, so I'm gonna be upstairs anyway.
Very good. Good morning to you.
Thank you, you too.
I'm just waiting on the lawyer.
There we go.
Did you ever go to the breakout room? Did he ever go to the breakout room?
We're still here.
Yeah, you gotta go to the breakout room. Here, go. Join number breakout room 3. It's gonna say join room 3. Join.
Okay.
He's not joining. Here's in there now.
How you doing today, sir?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know I got a couple courtrooms. I'm in person for traffic court on 1, and then I'm here on Good. It looks like W Good.
Yeah, I got you checked in. Good morning to you.
All right, thank you, sir. I got to check in the Judge Williams courtroom as well. It looks like.
Very well.
All right. Do you know who the prosecutor for this room is?
So this room would be, I think, today, it would be Ms. Snyder.
Miss, you said Miss Horn?
Ms. Snyder.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll be back. Just, do you want them to, is it a breakout room that they're in right now, or?
No, she's not hasn't arrived yet.
Oh, she hasn't arrived yet. Okay, I'll check in. I'll be back in a little bit.
Okay. Good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor.
What do you have?
I'm here on Ojo. It's a trial date, but we just recently received the rest of the discovery. I'm planning on hopefully filing a motion if I can adjourn the trial.
I thought Mr. Bachman was here on Ojo. He's in there speaking to Ojo now.
Oh, is he? I think he was representing him before, but I've been representing him for over a month now.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and jump on and talk to him?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right,
Thank you.
Judge. Yeah. You on that, so I'll take one all the time. Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor. Corporal Latch, how are you?
Good morning, Corporal Latch. I have you checked in.
Sounds good, sir. Would you mind if I was excused briefly? I've got 2 other courtrooms, a total of 4 this morning. Okay, thank you.
All right, I'll see you soon. Mr. Shiroki.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on a trial for Terrence Guthridge and a trial for Mariah Lenore.
Is here and Lenore is here. I'm going to put Guthridge in. I guess Boffman is representing Guthridge too. So speak to Boffman. Go to 7 because he's got 2 cases.
Okay.
I'll go
to 7 and see what's going on. It doesn't matter to me. So is Boffman handling Lenore also?
No.
Okay. All right. I'll go to 7, talk to him. Thank you.
Go to 7 and talk to Boffman, counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Esteban. Do you understand what's going on now, sir?
Yes.
You're muted, Ms. Cox.
El juez, señor López Esteban, usted ya está, llamaron otra vez a su caso. El juez preguntó si usted ya entiende qué va a suceder en su caso.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up that Ms. Harris, did Ms. Harris go over your rights with you?
La abogada Harris habló con usted sobre sus derechos, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give these rights up?
Usted entiende que al aceptar esta oferta, usted está renunciando a esos derechos, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo diferente a lo que hemos dicho aquí ahora?
No.
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 19th, 2025, at around 8:09 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Central and Clayton Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yo quiero que usted se acuerde del día 19 de junio del 2025, alrededor de las 8:09 de la mañana en Detroit, en el área de las calles Central y Clayton. En esa oportunidad lo paró un policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Usted estaba manejando?
Sí.
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y el policía le pidió que le entregara una licencia válida.
Una licencia válida.
A valid license?
Yes, did he ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Sí, el policía le pidió que le mostrara su licencia y esa licencia estaba válida. Le pidió que le mostrara su licencia al policía.
Sí.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Y no lo pudo hacer, ¿correcto?
No.
No.
Why couldn't you produce the license?
¿Por qué no pudo presentar una licencia válida?
Porque no lo tengo. No tengo licencia.
Because I don't have one. I don't have a license.
Okay, very well. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of allowing, ordering him to do 12 hours of community service with Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. And that's available to everybody.
Entonces, le voy a encontrar que usted se declaró culpable del cargo rebajado de no mostrar una licencia. Le voy a dar 12 horas de trabajo de servicio a la comunidad en el centro de la comunidad del suroeste de Detroit. Eso lo puede hacer cualquier persona.
I'll dismiss the other matter.
Y jueza, abogada, entonces usted acepta las causas probables y voy a anular el otro cargo.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, Sonoría.
I call later today, Ms. Quinteo, and set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September the 17th to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Entonces, llame al teléfono que le dio la abogada, pregunte por la señorita Buentello. Ella le dirá cómo puede hacerlo. Y el juez dice que le va a dar hasta el 17 de septiembre para que haga esas 12 horas.
Está bien. Yo le bendiga.
That is fine. God bless you.
You as well.
A usted también.
All right, Ms. Cox, I have one more. This is the City of Detroit versus Ortega Delgado Luis, case number SP 173-44131. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso contra el señor Ortega Delgado Luis, SP 173444131. Por favor, digan sus nombres para las escrituras.
Luis Ortega.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Ortega.
La abogada Cherica Harris representando al señor Ortega.
Days, date, and time set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Ortega an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Ortega, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Señor Ortega, usted también tiene el derecho de pedir un juicio. Nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that is fine.
All right, pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Torres. Mr. Torres, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is an offer. Mr. Torres did accept it. However, he does wish to speak to another attorney.
What's the problem?
He doesn't like my tone.
Mr. Torres.
Yes, sir.
You know, take your hat off, please. You know, it doesn't really work like that. You know that? What's the problem with you and Mr. Berry?
I asked him if I could get a temporary license, and he said he doesn't do that, or I gotta talk to another attorney. So that's why I need to talk to another attorney.
Well, and then you're talking about a temporary license. You would have to go get an attorney because you have an outside attorney, because you would have to go to a lot of different steps because you have this driver's license revoked. And none of the attorneys, unless you hire an outside lawyer, will that you have in this courtroom today, will be able to help you with that. I can give you, some time to go look into it. Because you got a couple of these driver license revoked, and obviously you're gonna have to go before the review board at some point to get a full license. You may be able to go to the circuit court. I don't know whether you'll be able to go to the circuit court or not to get a restricted license, but that's something you'd have to go to another court for if you can, if you're eligible for that. But also, if you take a deal today, I'm sure that deal is gonna include some sort of abstraction, and it's gonna put you further back. So you may want to set a free trial and talk to some outside lawyers about it.
Okay, that, yeah, well.
All right, I'll set a free trial date. I'll give you a couple of weeks to talk to some lawyers and see what they say. I'll set a free trial date of September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30, okay? Come back then, and then maybe you'll be a better understanding of how to proceed, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Adam Anwar Ledesma, case number SP 1691147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, Your Honor. This is Adam Ledesma.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Mr. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Ledesma, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Hey.
Anybody ready?
Ready on Ojo, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Ojo, case number SP 1702843. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyler Bielicki, number 75702, on behalf of Mr. Ojo.
Mr. Ojo, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Ojo.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. I did have Sergeant Eason here, so he did step out. What, did you get a resolution?
No, Your Honor. It was my understanding the officer hadn't appeared, but if he's here, we are asking for an adjournment. I just received the rest of the discovery, including video discovery. I reviewed that with my client last Thursday, and we're preparing to file a motion challenging probable cause and challenging the stop.
Have you spoken with, let me let you speak. Have you spoken with city attorney yet? Not yet, because they haven't showed up.
No, I did at the prior trial date, Your Honor.
Call the city attorney, please.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Oh, where? Oh, I didn't see you come in. All right. Yeah. Did you hear that, Ms. Schneider? Appearance for the record, please, for Michael Ojo.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I have no objection to the adjournment. I agree with Brother Counsel. He received the discovery pretty recently.
All right, I'm going to set another trial date for September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ledesma. Mr. Ledesma, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client respectfully seeks the appointment of counsel on these matters.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Ledesma.
Good phone number, it would be 260-318-2514. Yeah.
All right, I'm resetting this matter for a pretrial on September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by September the 5th, then we will get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
If there's something further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well, take care.
This is the city of Detroit versus Caleb Nathaniel Gracie, case number SP 174134111. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf
Caleb
of the
Nathaniel
defendant.
Gracie.
On behalf of Mr. Gracie.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a
Pretrial.
pretrial.
Yes.
Let me see what else this other matter on this.
If I'm not mistaken, it was.
See. We got a ticket. All right. He owes us $126 on the old seatbelt ticket. I was just checking on that. And you owe $288 on this.
Intoxication.
Yes.
Okay.
Open it. All right. Give Mr. Gracie an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial. Okay.
Okay, Your Honor.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Is there a pre-sentence report in there? Go back on the record with Mr. Luis Ortega, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this case is dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, señor Luis Ortega, le dimos la oportunidad de que hablara con el abogado, le preguntó al abogado si ese caso lo van a anular los cargos, ella contestó sí, su honoría.
All right, case dismissed, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Ok, el caso queda anulado. Que tenga buen día, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you. Se puede desconectar.
Oh, gracias.
Thank you. And Your Honor, is there anyone else that may need an interpreter?
You can ask, Ms. Cox.
Ok, I will, Your Honor. Thank you. ¿Hay alguien más que necesite un intérprete de español? Por favor, contesten.
All right. I don't hear anybody else responding.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You have a better one. Okay, Dominique Gales.
Yes, I'm here.
This to you, ma'am. You're here for what reason? You got into a payment plan for these cases. I don't see you on the docket, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see anything open for you.
I didn't have.
And you're in a payment plan, so. Did you have something else that you wanted to address?
No, I thought I had a court date today.
No. You have your Dominique Denise Gales, right?
Yes, that's my name.
All right, so I don't see anything open for you. If you, once you pay those things off, you can always zoom back in and make sure they get closed out like accordingly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you now.
You too. Goodbye.
Derek Gwynn. Derek Lamar Gwynn. Derek Lamar Gwynn. You have to unmute yourself, start your camera, please.
The picture.
All right, we're gonna move on to the next person. Derek Lamar Gwynn. Jonathan Graves. Jonathan Graves. Been in and out all morning. Right, let's go down to
Your Honor, Mariah Lenore. I don't think an officer is checked in.
Anthony O'Neill.
Here.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Devon O'Neill. Case numbers SP 136-7470, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 174-9520, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 174-9525, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 174-9501. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. O'Neill, please state your name for the record.
Anthony O'Neill.
Mr. O'Neill, good morning to you. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pre-pro.
Thank you.
I counted 10 cases into the record. There are 3 cases that there are only 7 on the docket. There's 3 cases are in warrant status, unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, or no ops. Those are older cases.
Yeah.
Allegations made in 2022. I'll recall the warrant. I'll enter my guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give the client a $0 bond. Mr. O'Neill, an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. O'Neill, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, I have.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come back later.
Join the room, please.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I just wanted to talk to you. Thank you, Judge.
Good morning. All right, pass the matter. He left. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Mariah Lenore, case number U 714-33125. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Lenore, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Mariah Lenore, good morning.
Good morning.
Your
Today is
Honor,
the date, time set for a trial. Do we have Officer Robert Mackey? Officer Robert Mackey. I don't see that name on my list. All right, go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, defense moves to dismiss this matter for no police officer.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case, ma'am, for no officer. If nothing further, have a very good day, Ms. Lenore. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day to your Honor and your staff.
No more, Mr.
No, Mr. Damon Washington, I'll let, Brother Counsel handle it, Mr. Boffman. So that's fine. We both have a signed assignment for it. Mine precedes his, but it doesn't matter. It just doesn't affect my income, so whatever. You can have it.
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Free to leave, Ms. Lenore, after that. Let's go back on record. Mr. Gracie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial judge.
Trial date, Mr. Gracie?
Yes, sir.
Trial date will be September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
I got to see my probation officer that day, Your Honor.
You can't zoom in on that day too?
Well, I have to go see him in Novi.
All right, but, all right, here, come on the 12th.
Okay.
Come on the 12th of November. How many cases you have?
You said how many cases?
Yeah.
I'm in one in Novi and Clinton Township, but they put them together.
You're knocking on Michigan Department of Corrections door, huh, Mr. Gracie?
No, Your Honor. I got out.
All right.
I got out.
Best of luck to you, sir. Be safe.
I appreciate you.
Right. That's a sovereign.
It was scheduled for 9:30.
He's sovereign, right?
I have no idea. It was from 3 years ago.
All right, let's go with Gunn. Ashley Gunn, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give him a few more minutes to show. Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn. Case number, strike that. This is the state of Michigan versus Ashley Elizabeth Gunn. Case number SX44993461. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gunn.
Ashley Elizabeth Gunn.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, see if you can get Ms. Gunn an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gunn, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry, let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill, Mr. Anthony O'Neill. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. O'Neill?
Yes.
All right. Trial date is going to be September the 9th. September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Deshaun Gavin, this is the city of Detroit versus Deshaun Stephen Gavin, case number SP 122-76713, U64651-622. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gavin, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Gavin, are you there? Unmute yourself, please.
Deshaun Stephen Gavin.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Looking or not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. He's here because of money. Mr. Gavin, you never paid.
Yes, Judge, something happened in my life and I moved out of Detroit and actually just forgot about it. I can pay what need to be paid and I want to get this over with.
All right, I'm gonna bring you, is your life back on, is it everything back together again? Everything good?
Yes, and I appreciate you asking.
I'm gonna get you back down to the original cost of the tickets, pay $240 a piece. $240 a piece. When can you pay it?
The last time we talked, I think you lowered one of them to like 120. If I can get something a little lower than that, I can pay it today.
No. I don't recall doing that. Let's see. I don't recall doing that. Let's see.
The disturbing I think it was disturbing a piece or
240,
what was
240. I'll dismiss one upon payment, the other one will close out. I'll dismiss the 240,
Okay.
240.
Sound good. I can pay today if I can pay online.
All right, pay the any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person, or I'm told, that div that you can upload it on the phone, or you can go to the website and pay it online. I'm gonna give you a couple weeks to make sure that payment gets here. Today is the 19th. Get it in by 9/9/2025, all right?
Sound good. Thank you, Judge.
Best of luck to you. Congratulations on getting everything together, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Hoffman, I got your one client is here, Miss
Judge, Miss Grayson is here and Mr. Goodman are both here for sentence. May I be co-host? Thank you.
You can pull them in breakout rooms somewhere in 8 or 9. Good morning to both
Thank
of
you. Mr. Goodman, join the breakout room,
Is this your
please.
client, Ms. Orozco? Ms. Orozco?
What's the first name? I do have an Orozco.
Marcella?
I don't see that person in the room. Maricela? Orozco?
I'm here.
Hi.
Hello. I didn't go in the breakout room though.
I don't have a file for that individual, Judge. But I'd be happy to help.
No, it's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Versus Marciela Orozco, case number SP 17061561, SP 1749070, count 1 and counts 2, SP 175270, count 1 and counts 2, and SP 17113411. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Orozco, please state your name for the record.
Marcela Orozco.
Turn your camera on, please, ma'am.
There you go.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Starting to see you pretty often. A lot of the cases are, well, one of the cases under review, she never paid that. And she's got another review for October 28, 2025. Those cases were set to be dismissed, I guess, if that she didn't get any other trouble, but we're back again.
Your Honor, was there a request for appointed counsel?
No, this is just, well, there's a reckless driving. No, it was not. These are new cases. Ms. Harris,
Bobby
speak to-
Johnson was supposed to be my counsel.
Who?
Bobby Johnson or Johnson.
I never heard of him. Oh, Vassal Johnson. Maybe. All right, but this is a new case. Speak to Mr. Orozco in the breakout room. Get an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, ma'am, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ashley Dunn. Ms. Dunn, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel. Her number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Dunn?
That was the only option he gave me.
It wasn't the only option, I'm sure. I can give you another option. Plead guilty as charged.
No, sir.
He didn't tell you that?
No.
Because he knew you didn't want to do it, so.
No.
All right. September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30 is your next pretrial date. I'm just setting that for a pretrial, just to make sure you have contact with the attorney. You ask the cause you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by September the 5th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. Is it 586-362-7212?
Yes, sir.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you.
All right. Let's see if Detroit versus Robert of Grant, case number SP 172-15031, SP 172-15110, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173-13441, SP 173-13551. Appearance to the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Robert Grant.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give him a $0 bond. I counted 3 cases into the record. I counted more than 3 cases. I counted 5 cases into the record. 3 of them are on the record. I enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The other 2 is a 16 to 20 over and a disregard of a red signal. He also owes $336 on the no insurance proof. If he doesn't have a valid license, he can probably potentially set himself up a license. If he pays that $336, at least he'll have clearances here at the 36th District Court. Mr. Grant, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Orozco. Mr. Orozco, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to enter a plea against my advisement, but she's entering a plea to the amended count of drag racing.
All right, you want to take the deal? What about all these other tickets?
Pursuant to the recommendation that's we were provided, it indicates drag racing. The remaining matters were dismissed. There was a plea on the review matter, but it's set for review, so I don't think that's included.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Orozco?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes, you did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, I don't have a ticket in front of me, Ms. Harris, so I don't know. I can go off the ROA if you choose, or if your client chooses.
I would object, but I would allow my client to make that decision as she has decided to enter this plea.
All right, you want to talk to her in the breakout room? Do you have a file for Ms. Orozco? Yes, sir.
I was trying to fix something. Mr. Russell, no, I don't have a file.
All right, Gray is not. I usually give him an hour grace period.
Okay,
So give him another half hour. I doubt if he's gonna come.
okay, all right.
Give him another half.
Let me look into
All right,
this.
yeah. Mrs. Harris?
I am moving Ms. Orozco to a breakout room to discuss.
Okay. All right, let's pass it. Mr. Bachman, are you ready on your client? October 28th on those other cases.
Judge, can you sign this?
Gwen woke up?
Can you sign this for Judge Walker? This is the case.
All right. We're waiting on a lawyer. Let me see if I can get rid of some of the cases without a lawyer. Lethbridge, your officer's here. Gwen, he's on review. Grimes, your officer is here. Jose Green, your officer is here. Marcus Gray. Is Marcus Gray here? Really good. I don't see. Gardner, your officer is here, and Gabrielle Gibbons. All right. What about Seth? Okay, I can get rid of Seth Latham because he doesn't have Mr. Corporal Bennett never showed. Surprising. Where's Seth? Oh, that's Seth the final truth. So he never showed. All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Seth Latham. Case number SP 138469111. State your name for the record, sir.
Seth Dimitri Latham.
All right, good morning to you. This here is for review for some money. How long have you been locked up?
I've been locked up for 3 weeks.
I'm gonna amend the sentence to 3 days, Wayne County Jail. And give you give you, credit for time served. We'll dismiss the case. Nothing further, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too as well.
You as well. Good luck to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Orozco. Ms. Orozco, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting the appointment of counsel.
Change. I have a file here now too. Let's see if that ticket's in there. No, that ticket is still not in there.
Mr. Roscoe?
Yep.
Mr. City, I have it.
One, she's gonna get a appointed to counsel anyway. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Roscoe? Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
I said yes, sir.
Dorian. Angel, Dorian. Who was in my room last night?
All right, you can mute yourself, whoever that is. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for September the 5th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure you've heard from that appointed attorney. If you haven't heard from that appointed attorney, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. You know what to do. Answer the calls you don't recognize. Once the call should be that appointed attorney, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Luck to you. Is Derek Gwynn, did you wake up?
Yeah, yes, sir. I wasn't asleep, sir.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Derek Lamarck Gwynn, case number SP 127-18082, SP 1004427, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1083058, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1116750, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1137725, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1170417, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1177151, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1186079, SP 1287734, counts 1 and 2, SP 1292941, SP 1336929, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 1443161, SP 1498983, SP 1748046, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1482441, SP 1761366, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 9963821, State of Michigan versus, well, this is also called 12-6, strike that, 15-4638-371, 16-222-0121, 16-224-0451, State of Michigan versus Derek Lamarck Gwynn, case number SX 44765-941. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Here, Gwen.
All right, I'm gonna tell you now, sir. It's, if I see you get another ticket, Get caught driving again, get another ticket, I'm putting you in jail, okay?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
I'm sorry?
This is ridiculous. How old are you?
35. Talking to me?
35 years old.
Yes, sir.
All right. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right.
Join the room, please, just pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Yes.
Were there any cases that were not on the docket that were called into the record?
It doesn't really matter. I don't think.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. Let me see. He owes some a handful of one, two. Only thing I was going to check were the state cases. Those were this year, but yeah, I'm not interested in doing anything for him. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant gives me an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he seeks a bench trial date so that he can pay that insurance matter and get a license.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Grant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, set a trial date for September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Jamel Gillespie.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm getting my hair done, but today is my birthday. I apologize.
Happy birthday.
Appreciate
Jamel
it.
Gillespie.
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jamel Gillespie, case number 19-463-0011, 204-0069, 5, count 1 and count 2, SP 14698-321, SP 14698-322, SP 11261791, SP 132353. Count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gillespie.
Jamel Gillespie.
This is the perfect example, Mr. Gillespie, of what my father used to say. People like to buy what they want and beg for what they need. He's getting his hair done for his birthday, but he got these tickets out here that he has been owing this money on for years. Mr. Gillespie, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay. You said I got tickets that I need to pay?
Yeah. You owe 144, defective equipment, 11 to 15 over, 282, improper equipment, 246. Left of center, 162. You were born in 79, right?
No.
That's wrong. Jamel Lamont Gillespie.
Yeah, that's my dad.
That's your dad. Let's see what you have. I'll take that back then. Let's see.
Yeah, that's my dad. I'm sorry.
What's your date of birth?
08/19/2006.
City of Detroit, let's take that, recall that from the record, strike that from the record. City of Detroit versus Jamel Gillespie, case number SP 173-81111, SP 173-81121. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gillespie.
Jamel Gillespie.
All right. Day is the date and time set for. Let's see. He's supposed to be here yesterday. Set for a pretrial. Let's put him in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. It's allegation of disregard a red signal and minor in possession of tobacco. Put you in the breakout room.
Okay.
And speak to Mr. Berry and get you updated off. And keep in mind, if you don't like it, I'll get him out to the right to the trial. Join. Good morning, officer.
Hey, how you doing, sir? I was trying to sign the Zoom.
Sergeant Easton.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, I was trying to sign the Zoom court. They weren't letting me in though, for whatever reason. I'm here on Ojo and Flood.
Ojo is here.
Ojo and check out before we go into the three courtrooms.
Oh, wait a minute. No. Ojo. Where's attorney for Ojo? What happened with Ojo?
Ojo and good. Ojo is
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Mr. Grimes, good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you?
Ojo and William Flood. W Flood.
You're in line, Mr. Grimes. I'm taking them in the order that they came in. Something happened with Ojo already. See what happened with
Okay,
Ojo.
thank you, Your Honor.
No, Ojo is here. His attorney was here. Michael, no, it was about, no, it was the other, Tyler.
The gentleman that stopped by the courtroom.
Yeah, the gentleman that came in. But Willie Good never showed up.
Willie Good never showed up. Where's Ojo's file?
So Ojo has an attorney.
Okay, you might want to call that attorney back.
City prosecutor.
It's Snyder, Alexis Snyder.
Oh, it is. No, it's Snyder, isn't it? It's she. So she's the city prosecutor for Judge.
All right, who's ready?
Looks like.
Okay.
Ready on Mr. Gwynn?
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gwynn. Mr. Gwynn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Yeah, my client would like an opportunity to retain counsel to assist with his matters.
I'm gonna, he could have shown me that a long time ago. I'm gonna set a trial date. You can retain your own counsel, but that's something you should have said back in the beginning, right? When's the last time he's been here? Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna set a trial date and you call the counsel up and you better get in touch with him soon or her soon.
Now, what's the day, sir?
Pardon me?
I was saying, the day?
Yeah, okay. I'm setting a trial date for September the 9th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, tell that counsel to get back in here. Yes. I don't know what happened with Ojo. Where Ojo is. Oh, it's set for trial. So it was trial. No. Don't worry. He got an adjournment because he just got the video and they're gonna file
Okay, so the officer just needs to be updated.
No, the officer just needs to be updated.
Okay.
Jose Green.
Yes,
Jose
Your
Green. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Jose Angel Green, case number SP 1715829, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1717830, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Green, please state your name for the record.
Jose Angel Green.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Mr. Green an updated offer. Wait a minute.
I have it set for trial.
All right, I got Officer Nazar. Are you here? He appeared.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
And the officer National badge number 1264.
All right, good morning to you. Is Officer Caldwell here? I don't have a Caldwell on my list.
I'm on that.
Officer Caldwell. All right, hearing no response.
Defense will move to dismiss with regards to Officer Caldwell's matters.
All right, we'll dismiss the cases on those matters. Give Mr. Green an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Green, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, Mr. Bob, what's Gillespie gonna do?
We seek a trial and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gillespie. I see your hand, Mr. Baldwin. Where's Mr. Gillespie's phone?
Mr. Gillespie's from 818.
818. Do I have a where's the ROA?
Your summary.
Yeah, the summary.
It was yesterday, might have went down with the case.
Yeah, it's his birthday. We'll give him a break.
Okay, so
He was getting off prepared. All right. I'm gonna set a pretrial date. I need the phone number from you, sir.
606-622-3229.
1 second. Do it again
So
one more
with the
time.
pre-trial date, so do I come back with an attorney or anything like that? I'm just.
Oh, you said you wanted an appointed attorney, right?
Yeah, but I spoke to the person I was in the breakout room with, Your Honor, and I was just telling them everything about everything.
So what's gonna happen is we're gonna appoint you an attorney. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date just to make sure that that attorney has contacted you. Then you can talk to the attorney and he'll be specific to you. We just have courtroom attorneys in here today, but when it gets more technical, then you obviously want a closer look at it. Give me a good court date, please. I mean, a good phone number.
606-223-2229. And again,
606, say it again.
622-3229. Your Honor, I did.
Hold on.
I'm sorry.
606-622-3229.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead.
I did hear you state that I was supposed to be in here yesterday, but I spoke the very first hearing. I spoke to someone and they told me everything was scheduled.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it now. You're here. Call, answer the calls you don't recognize. Don't come in getting your hair done next time either. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by your next court date, which is September 5th, not September 4th or 6th, September 5th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay. September
Happy birthday,
30th.
happy birthday, Mr. Gillespie. September the 5th at 8:30.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
And best of luck to you. Let me get James Love. Is James Love here?
James Love here, sir. Your Honor.
Okay, City of Detroit versus James Love, case number SP 17453041, SP 17352841. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
James Love, the third.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. I think we already spoke. Did we already speak about this?
No, sir.
No. Here's the deal. You get found guilty or plead guilty to this charge. I'm fining you $500. That's gonna be the offer. It's gonna be the maximum $500 fine. It's gonna be 12-month delayed sentence, and it's going to be a gun safety course, okay? Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with him. Let us know what you wanna do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris?
I think we are waiting for Ms. Schneider. We'll need to speak to her about Mr. Green's case.
Okay, let's call it. Are we ready on Ms. Grayson?
Yes, Miss Grayson is here.
We're ready.
City of Detroit versus Cortesia. Janice Grayson, case number Z809 5791. Did I mess your name up, ma'am?
It's okay, Cortasia Grayson. Yeah, Janice Grayson, yes.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You're fine.
I thought this is Cortesia Janice Grayson.
Yes.
Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Judge, she was previously scheduled to be sentenced today, but I don't believe there's a pre-sentence information.
It is.
Oh, there is.
I'm reading the news.
Okay. So would you allow us to review that together? And I'm requesting that Madam Clerk send me that by way of email, please. And thank you.
All right.
Ms. Grayson, join the breakout room.
Okay.
All right, good. We get it done today.
Okay.
All right. I'll send you the prompt right now.
Okay.
Go ahead and press join.
Okay.
We're ready for a plea on Terrence Guthridge, Judge, if the court is ready.
There's Miss Snyder coming in. If somebody wants to speak to Miss Snyder.
Daddy, is that funny? Daddy, is that funny?
Be quiet.
Future lawyer there. City of Detroit versus Terrence Guthridge, case numbers SP 1720685, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1720731. Appearance for the record, please.
Henry Boffman, for the defendant, would you state your name, sir?
Terrence Guthridge.
Judge, we've had an opportunity to speak about today's event, which is trial. He's going to waive his right to that event. He's going to plead guilty. The recommendation is that if he pleads guilty to failure to report as well as failure to stop within a safe, assured distance, that any other matters scheduled for trial today would be dismissed. He's advised and ready to give you a factual basis to accept his plea.
Officer Mullen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Name, badge, number, department for the record, please.
Officer Nathaniel Mullen, badge 2632, currently with the City of Detroit Police Department, 12th Precinct.
Good morning to you. All right. Want to take the deal, Mr. Guthridge?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You put your hand down. I thought you were Christopher Gray. It's not, you're another Gray. You could have left.
Oh,
I will call it.
I'm on Christopher Gray.
You're on Christopher Gray?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he's not. Okay. All right, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Boffman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 2nd, 2025, at around 5:52 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fairfield and Florence. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Maybe not. Were you operating a 2018 Ram that day?
Yes, sir.
And did you have an accident?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't report that accident?
No, I did not.
Find your client guilty of your count of failure to report. $240 fine, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an actual factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
Is that as charged to the accident?
That is.
Find your client responsible for that as charged accident civil infraction. Stipulate the probable cause, dismissing the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. A 240 and 170. When can you pay?
I had asked my attorney to see would it be possible. Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Judge. We're asking for a community service, please.
24 hours community service. Let's make it 30 hours. Community service.
I have the defendant's information. I will forward that to Madam Clerk at the close of today's session.
I need a good phone number now.
Go ahead, Mr. Guthridge.
313-715-3519.
I'm going to give you until September the 18th to complete the hours and referring the matter to community service. I'm going to give you the community service number too. Just in case you don't have to call them. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you. But if you notice that it has not been, they haven't gotten in contact with you, then call them at 313-965-8130.
Can you repeat that one more time?
313-965-8130.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you until September 18th. If you don't hear from them and you can always reach back out to the court. We can see if we can help you get back in touch with them.
Okay. So if I have it done, do I need to come to court on September 18th for anything?
Yeah, you should. Just to make sure. 8:25 in the morning.
8:25?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Judge Perkins, same everything?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you as well.
All right. Here we go, Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit versus Moses Gilliam, AKA Moses Mixon, AKA Melvin Gilliam.
Yes,
Case number, take case number 19-707-493, counts 1 and counts 2, and 05-30819. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilliam.
Loises Jr. Mixon.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm not going to give him a $0 bond on this. I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond, and I'm going to have you start testing, Mr. Mixon. This is an open alcohol, open intoxicants case. I know it dates back to 05, but you got to go through the same hoops everybody else does, all right?
Okay.
I'm going to have you start testing 1 time per week. How do we get this all in one?
And I did went to prison.
You said what?
I went to prison in 06 for 4 years. So I did a plea by mail, but I don't know why. For some reason they didn't show up.
How many years did you go to prison for?
4.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna give it $500 personal. No leaving state without the court's permission. Obviously, no drinking during the pendency of this case. I'm gonna refer to probation. Do you want me to get you a court-appointed attorney?
No, I'll get one.
And I'm going to give you a pretrial date for September the 9th, 2025 at 8:30. I need a good phone number from you.
313-502-3777.
All right, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to, I'll give you a $0 bond on 19-707-493, counts 1 and counts 2. I'm going to set a pretrial date. I need to test for this week and every week thereafter until this case is concluded. If the test comes back positive, if it's diluted, or there's a mistest, then we're gonna up the ante on the bond, all right, sir?
Yes, could you repeat the court date again for me, please?
September the 9th at 9 a.m. I mean, at 8:30 a.m.
Okay.
All right, you got anything further?
It's Zoom?
It's Zoom.
Okay.
Make sure you get a test. If you find that they haven't contacted you about that test, the number to probation is 313-965-3414.
313.
965-3414. If you find they haven't contacted you, it gets toward the end of the week. I don't want you to come back next week or in 2 weeks and saying nobody contacted you. I want you to get on top of it, and you can always reach back out to the court and let us know so we can help you facilitate if necessary, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right.
Your Honor, what about the other 2 cases, tickets?
I give you this all on the same date. I give you a $0 bond on those.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Yeah. All right, Mr. What's going on with James Love, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Let's go back on the record with James Love. You understand you want a trial date?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna give you a pretrial date of 9/9/2025. No, 9/5. I should have said, told him 9/5, but the 9/5/2025 at 8:30. Your number is 313-646-5081.
Yes, sir.
Need appointed attorney. So you need to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by their next court date, then we'll get one to you appointed on the spot on 9/5/2025. Okay.
Okay, that's pre-trial date or trial date?
It's a pre-trial. That's just to make sure the attorney gets in contact with you.
Okay, sir.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You do the same.
This City of Detroit versus Spencer Lambert Grimes, case number SP 172-5783, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172-65021. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. Norwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Spencer Lambert Grimes.
Good morning to you. Corporal Reinhardt, good morning to you. Can you start your video, unmute yourself, and state your name and badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Reinhardt, badge number 1151, 10th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Grimes, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come up.
Hold on. Wait a minute. I was supposed to be coming to the Secretary of State to give me to get my license and all that together. Your Honor, where's this? This is something totally different.
This is trial day. I gave you the time already to get your license together, didn't I?
No, that's what we're doing right now. That's what I'm doing now.
Yeah, if you're at the Secretary of State, I'll give you some time to take care of that.
Yeah, that's where I'm at right now, Your Honor, because I had to get a
Raise your hand in the chat. Raise your hand in the chat when you're done, all right?
Excuse me again?
Raise your hand in the chat when you get that license. You're in the Secretary, I can see you're in the Secretary of State right now. Raise your hand in the chat when you get that license.
Okay, I gotta take the test.
Well, take the test.
Okay. Okay, well, okay, I didn't want to just take it and be still on the line. No, I didn't know. Just go ahead, take it and you're still on here.
Well, you can hang up. You can hang up. They're probably gonna make you hang up.
Okay. So we'll just call back again.
You certainly don't want to get caught. They think you cheating because they're gonna put you, and you're not gonna be able to get a license for a while after that.
Right, I understand. Will I be able to call back and join back in the meeting?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Corporal Reinhardt, you want to leave your number in the chat just in case?
Okay, yes, I will.
All right, thank
you.
All right, be safe. Good luck on the test.
Yes, all right.
All right. Anthony Green, Arthur Green.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Right.
This
Mr. Grimes, hang up.
Okay, bet. Thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Anthony Arthur Green Jr., case number SP 168-35061. Appearance for the record, please.
Norwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
He's muted. You have to unmute yourself. Oh no, something's wrong with his volume. His volume was working the first time we spoke already. All right, it's not working now. We're gonna have to pass it, see if we can get a volume together. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green, Jose Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is dismissal on all matters.
Yes, Your
That is
Honor.
my,
Oh, sorry.
no worries. I appreciate it. Yes, Your Honor.
Case is dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, Your Honor. God bless.
You as well. Thank you.
Welcome, brother.
Lisa Gardner there. Did Mr. Green get his volume together? City of Detroit versus Lisa Inez Gardner, case numbers SP, this group, SP 1629471, SP 1742012, counts 1 and counts 2, U 6874222. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gardner.
Lisa Inez Gardner, did she leave? I think this is her in the original call. Lisa Inez Gardner, can you mute yourself? Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Lisa Inez Gardner.
All right, good morning to you. Ma'am, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, Ms. Gardner owes $336 on a no insurance proof, old matter. She owes some other civil infractions as well, school zone 228, seatbelt 126. She owes a disregard the red signal 258. The insurance matter, if she paid that, she could potentially set herself up to get a valid license. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, get an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right? All right, join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Arthur Green. Mr. Green, can you unmute yourself and state your name, see if it works now? No, it's still not working.
Yeah, is it just the one matter that's on the docket?
Yes.
I can pull him into a breakout room and see if we can get this to work. And it's just the no insurance matter.
That's all I see. I think he hung up. No, all right. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Green.
Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Grayson. Ms. Grayson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, have you gone over the pre-sentence report?
We have, Your Honor. For the record, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, ma'am, would you unmute your device, give us your beautiful name again out loud?
Cortasia Grayson.
Thank you. Judge, we have reviewed the pre-sentence information together, and we find it to be factually accurate. There are no additions, corrections, or deletions. As to the recommendation, we are thankful for the opportunity to do better. Your Honor, I would like to add something if the court is ready to hear me.
Okay.
So, Judge, I wanted to say that after discussing this many times with my client over the phone and in the breakout room, that my client is truly moved by by this experience. I think her emotions are entirely appropriate. I have seen her shed tears over this experience. This is a first time for her and an anomaly as far as in terms of a pattern of performance. I believe that she is, because of her basic instincts, is going to be an excellent candidate for probation. And I ask her to look at this as an opportunity for us to show her a way to turn things around and give her the proper guidance that she's going to need to move forward and into a life that is going to continue to be free of drinking and driving at the very least.
All right, do you have anything to say, Ms. Grayson? You don't have to before I impose sentence.
Just want to say I'm sorry to the court. I'm sorry to Your Honor. All I know is I will never ever make this mistake again. It has been the worst 3 or 4 months of my life. I've never experienced nothing like this. I've also had a CPS case behind this. I completed it. It's closed. And I just want to move forward now in the most positive way I can.
That's good to hear. That you do sound remorseful, and you don't have to apologize to me or the court. You probably want to direct your apology to the community, your family, your kids, and things like that. Because this is what I get. This is what I get paid to do. This is what you all elected me to do. So, but I recognize where you're coming from with that, and I can appreciate that. Now, more important to me at this point is, how is your housing situation going?
Okay, so Your Honor, currently I live in a homeless shelter for battered women and children. I am a victim of domestic violence for my children's father, 11 and a half years. I just freed myself July 6th, 2024. So I've been in the shelter since then. And I'm next on the housing list to be selected for housing. So I'm kind of moving forward with life. I'm signing back into school and doing the positive things that I need to do besides drinking.
All right, that was what my concern was their housing situation, and it sounds like you're getting that squared away, and you sound like you're going to be soon getting into some housing of your own, right?
Yes.
Anything further?
No, I just want to say I apologize to the court. I apologize to the community, to my peers, or anybody that I might have, steered the wrong way or did the wrong thing to. I just want to apologize. I'm very apologetic, and I wish that I've never ever had to go through this situation, but I'm going through it, and I just want to make it right.
I've been through it myself, and I know that it will pass at some point. And that's going to be up to you to make it happen sooner rather than later.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to sentence you to a term of 6 months probation.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to review it in 3 months.
Okay.
I don't know if there's any program for her to help her with these fines and costs because she is in that transitional housing situation. but I'm gonna order you to test 2 times per month. I'm gonna order you to attend the Alcohol Highway Safety Education Program Level 1.
Okay.
Obviously, no alcohol. Shouldn't drive without a valid driver's license. That's kind of stating the obvious.
Yeah.
Complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Panel. Watch the consequences video. I don't know, complete the choices program. I'm not gonna have you completing a outpatient treatment. It's gonna be supervision cost of $30, $35 a month.
Supervision, what's that mean?
That's like probation fee.
Okay.
I would pay that monthly and don't pay it all at one time, because if by some chance I let you off this in 3 months, I don't want to be having them return any money for you. It's going to be $100 assessment fee.
Your Honor, I also want to state that I'm a victim of some domestic violence, and I really have no one to watch my children. They won't let anyone else in the shelter watch my children, and I don't trust their father or like none of my family. I'm sorry. So I would just have to work around it. It's been hard for me to get a job until school goes back at least.
I understand. We're gonna have to find some way around it. I mean, it's always where there's a will, there's a way.
Yes, sir.
A $15 a year analysis fee, and then let the probation department know.
Okay, I will let them know.
There's gonna be other state costs. I'm gonna have a $240 fine. I can let you do some of this in community service if you're able to.
I could do something. I could volunteer here at my shelter. Would that qualify?
Well, you would have to. I'm gonna refer you to the community service coordinator.
Yes, here's the director. She's right here. Excuse me, Miss.
No. I don't need to speak to the director. You're gonna have to speak to community service in order to see if they qualify.
Okay.
You'll speak to someone down here. Do you have an ink pen?
Okay.
You have an ink pen?
Yes, I do. Give me 1 second. I'm sorry, the children are in the room. I was standing in the hallway. I was trying to get some peace and quiet. Sorry. Okay, I'm ready.
The community service coordinator's number is 313-965-8130. The probation department, you shouldn't have to call them, they should call you.
Okay, the probation called me. Okay.
313-965-3414.
3414?
Yeah, there are gonna be other statutory costs that I have no control over. That'll be in the judgment of sentence. So all other statutory costs.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Come back on 9/19/2025 at 8:25.
9/19/2025?
Yep, 9/19/2025 at 8:25. If it's nothing further, Ms. Grayson, I wish you the best of luck. I'll be praying for you and your family, and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right. That's, Mr. Hoffman, you have anybody else?
Trying to get Michael Gardner's attention.
I'm here.
Can you join the breakout room, sir? I have something to discuss with you and Your Honor. I'm also in need of a pre-sentence information report from Mr. Douglas Goodman, and we'll be ready on both of those cases shortly.
Pre-sentence report?
Yes.
I think she sent it to you already. All right, let's
Okay,
go.
let me check my spam.
Let's go. No, Ms. Mouth is sending it now. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Green. Mr. Green, it's my understanding you got valid documentation. I'm gonna dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right? Oh, 9:19. I meant to tell.
You hear it,
Hey,
Mr.
Mr.
Green?
I meant to tell her 11:20 was her next court date. 11:20.
Cortasia?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Can you get back in touch with her?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm assigned on that one.
11:20.
11:20.
All right, there we go. Okay,
Mr. Green, your case was dismissed. Did you hear the judge?
No, I didn't, but thank you very much.
he heard it now. You can talk now.
Have a blessed one, everybody. Goodbye.
Yeah, Mr. Green, take it easy. Gardner, what about Valida Lane? Not here. Is that it? Let's go back on the record with Miss Lisa Gardner. Mr. Berry, I've given you the opportunity to speak to Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, what's your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the license suspended charge and to plead as charged to the dog restraint charge on the basis of a 9-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
What you want to do, ma'am?
That's true. I would like to do that.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You gotta get up, ma'am. Get up.
I'm sorry, my head was hurting. I'm sorry.
All right. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now, your head hurting is not forcing you to take this deal just to get it over with, is it?
No, sir.
All right. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
Not really, no.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
What kind of dog is this?
It was 2 bullies. There's classic and standard bullies. They're small. They're not the XL bullies.
You still have them?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. Let me draw your attention back to March the 21st, 2024 at around 8:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit on Lumpkin Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to own some dogs on that day?
Yes.
And did one of the dogs get out and get onto the neighbor's porch?
Well, it was both dogs that I had took them out in the backyard to let them use the restroom. And as I turned my back to clean up their mess, both of the dogs got out, but they did not cross the street. They were still on their property. And the people that was over there shot at my dogs.
Man. Well, if they're still on their property, I don't think I can take the deal.
The people that had moved in, they were squatters, and I was trying to get in touch with my landlord to let them know. And I also had a
Wait,
conversation.
wait. I'm not really talking about what the people did next door. Unfortunately, they took that crazy action in shooting at the dog. Hopefully they got a ticket as well, but what I'm talking about is what your dogs did. And you, on the ticket here, Mr. Berry, it says that they were off, one of the dogs, it doesn't say two, it says they provide leash or responsible person for a dog off owner's property. Dogs ran onto neighbor's front porch.
My
So
dog didn't. My dog did not go on the porch.
All right, we're gonna set a trial date.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Because if you can't admit to that, we can't get an active factual basis. We're gonna have to set a trial. You wanna appoint an attorney or no?
Sure.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-455-0738. 313-455-0738.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial for the 5th of September. That date is set for you to for that attorney to get in contact with you. I'm gonna, and then we'll set a trial date after that, after you discuss that with the attorney. I'm gonna ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should hopefully be that appointed attorney. And come back on the 5th at 8:30, and hopefully that attorney has contacted you, all right?
Is this for the dog restraint or this just for everything?
It's gonna be for everything. It's gonna be for everything. You pay that you owe, I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions. I'll even allow you to pay the reinstatement fee. This is not that old.
How much is the reinstatement fee?
$45, thank you.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to come down to the court to pay that reinstatement fee. There's no better way that I can allow you to do that. You pay that $45 reinstatement fee with the understanding that you're gonna pay this whole ticket off at some point. But I wanna see if you can be able to get a valid driver's license, all right?
Okay.
So it'll get you clearances down here. I don't know what your driver's license looks in other jurisdictions, but that will get you clearances down here. Then you can go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a license. If they don't give you a license, you can ask for a printout. They can give you everything that's affecting your license.
All righty then, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. I hope the headache hope you feel better. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bruce Green, I haven't seen a Bruce Green. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Douglas Toby Goodman, case number Z8095991. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Say your name.
Douglas Toby Goodman, Goodman.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Goodman, how's it going?
It's going really well, sir. I've started a new job. I'm coming up on 120 days clean and sober from all mind-altering chemicals. I'm continuing treatment. I'm continuing my AA and everything that I'm supposed to be doing, I'm doing. I actually completed inpatient treatment. I'm now living in a sober house with 8 other men. Things are going really well, sir.
Judge, we have reviewed the pre-sentence information report together. There are no corrections or deletions or changes. We are thankful for the opportunity to demonstrate that Mr. Goodman can lead a sober life. He has made sobriety the hallmark of his existence, Judge, and it's been a pleasure to represent him for that reason.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you reviewed the report. Let me ask you a few questions, sir.
Okay.
How's your mental health going now?
Oh, it's going really well. I'm set up with a therapist over at a place called Nystrom and Associates. So we're seeing her every 2 weeks.
How much do you think your mental health issues had to do with your drinking?
Poor decision making, I think, more than anything. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I've never dealt with any, mental health issues before until I was an adult. So, to be honest with you, I can't say 100%. I mean, I'd probably say it had to deal with it. Yeah.
I think it had a lot to deal with it, huh?
I wouldn't use the term a lot, but it had a significant impact.
Significant, a lot. I look at it this way. You indicated to the report that you were drinking 1.75 liters of liquor a day.
Yes.
That is a lot of liquor.
Yes, sir.
You know that, don't you, Elizabeth? Oh, she was a bartender. That's a lot of liquor. She didn't say that she drank, knowing it for her. And you're having these issues. What about feeling that you're unfairly treated? How do you think about that now?
No, not at all. I don't feel like I'm being unfairly treated at all.
No, I'm not saying on this instance particularly. I was going to ask you that, but I'm saying in general.
No, I mean, to be honest with you, my mental health, I just feel like maybe I've been, not as far along in life as I should be, but not unfairly treated at all. I'm
Because
very well.
That's what you told the probation officer, that sometimes treated unfairly, so usually on guard for that.
No, I don't recall that, but no, I mean, I'm very well aware of my consequences of every action that I make.
Yeah, and let's say when you're drinking that much a day, I think that would help in significantly affecting your mental health. And now that you're sober for this long of time, your mental health has gotten better. That's what I was seeing. If you thought there was a correlation to that.
Oh yes, absolutely. I'm sorry, I misunderstood what you were saying, but yes, absolutely. I mean, when I was drinking that much, Your Honor, it was kind of like in a binge. I wouldn't, continuously drink like that every single day of my life. It was, I've had periods of sobriety, but then I would binge drink, usually about that much a day for maybe a week or so. But yeah, I mean, that's not continuous.
All right. Well, anything else you want to say on your behalf? You don't have to.
No, I mean, I think everything there in the report is accurate and correct, and I'm now determined more than ever to continue to take the right steps forward to, deserve a better life, and to, everyone around me deserves a better me. So I'm going to continue to do what I'm doing, and I'm not going to look back.
Very good. All right, it's going to be the sentence of the court to sentence you to 12 months probation. I'll review in 6 months. And 12. And I continue to participate in the North Star Regional Substance Abuse Treatment Program. No alcohol. I'm going to say no marijuana, no illicit substances at all. And I don't include marijuana because I know in Michigan it's legal, but in your case, I want you to completely maintain those lines, and I'm sure that you do as well.
Yes, sir.
Your analysis. How long will you be in that facility?
So I'm actually no longer in North Star. I'm waiting to do an intake at a physical outpatient treatment. So I'll be going there after work at night, 3 days a week. It's called Nystrom's and Associates.
And do you test there?
Yes, I will on my very first intake, and I can request drug tests at least once a week if you'd like.
All right, let me get a test one time per week. Attend the alcohol highway safety education, level 1. Attend the victim impact, mothers against drunk driving. Attend AA. How often do you go to AA?
Currently right now I go on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and usually Tuesday. So tonight.
I want you to attend AA at least 3 times per week. View the consequences. Pay $100 assessment. $15 urinalysis. $35 supervision. That's a pay the monthly fees on the urinalysis at the time, and the supervision monthly. We'll review in 6 months.
Okay.
On February the 19th, 2026. There's a $240 fine and all other statutory costs. They will be on the judgment of sentence. Anything I missed, Counselor?
That was everything on the report, Judge.
Your Honor, on the 19th, what time would that be?
At 8:25.
Okay.
All right, so I suspect that you're going to be doing well. I hope that in 6 months we could release you from this. I'll be praying that that happens, and I'll be praying that you maintain your sobriety and put all this behind you sooner rather than later.
Yeah, I appreciate it, Your Honor, and I will prove you right.
Let me get a good phone number from you.
Area code is 586-222-1332.
We refer to probation, so they may give you another probation officer, but I hope you do. I think you will, and I know you've come a long way already, and I know you got a long way to go as far as rebuilding things, but in time it'll happen. If you,
yes, sir.
If you do what you're supposed to do. All right.
Perfect. So should I, as we leave here, should I wait for probation to call me? This is my first time doing all this, so I'm just curious.
Yeah, they should call you. You can take the number down to probation. It's 313-965-3414, but they should call you. You shouldn't have to call them.
Okay.
And if you find that you have not reached them, then we will make sure that you can always zoom in and we'll see if we can get you where you need to go.
Okay, so just wait to talk to them about the fines and everything. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Goodman. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Mr. Baughman, anything else?
Sure. We ready on Gardner? Michael Gardner, unmute your device, activate your camera.
Yes.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Gardner.
Good morning.
Do you have a middle name, sir?
Dwayne.
City of Detroit versus Michael Dwayne Gardner Jr., case number SP 172677761, SP 1726777, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Michael Dwayne Gardner Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
My client is going to waive his right to any trial today. He's been advised and ready to plead guilty to 1 count of improper plate. Any other matters will be dismissed. I stipulate the probable cause for the recommendation.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Gardner?
Yes.
You weren't able to get any insurance?
I had insurance on the day.
Did you tell Mr. Baughman that?
No.
We didn't discuss it. Judge, if he's got insurance, can you show me that document real quick, and then I would ask the court to consider a compliance dismissal here.
Well, he said he had insurance on the day. Go back in the breakout room and speak with them, and Yeah, we'll go, we'll see.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll be right back. Mr. Gardner, I'm gonna send you to a new breakout room. Please press join. I'll see you there right now.
It is a lot. At this point, that's just. You already break it.
Like, you're not supposed to drink gin, but I have to. You drinking the leader.
That's what my father used to drink gin.
He did? I like
He
this.
said he drank $10,000 worth of booze high and dry in 1 year. You don't know what booze is.
You showed us and it was some, oh my I like gin, but I like Hendrix.
It's a lot of booze.
A lot of booze.
10,000 in 1 year. Gee, it's a lot of drink. Don't tell me.
Well, I'll ration it out properly though.
iPhone, the Camilo. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Camilo González.
You gotta come back tomorrow.
Yes.
Come back tomorrow.
Okay.
8:30.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
What's his name? Gonzalez. Camilo, yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, you spoke with Mr. Boffman. Mr. Boffman has got an updated offer.
Judge, I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation that these matters be dismissed for compliance.
All right, Mr. Gardner, there's nothing further. Case dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Rock Gardner. Michael Gardner. All right. Well, you have the one gentleman, Mr. Grimes. I guess we're gonna have to reset him. He's still taking his tests. Officer Reinhardt was here. He's here. You weren't representing Grimes, were you, Mr. Bachman?
No, Your Honor.
All right. I don't know if Mr. Grimes